Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is Tuesday. It is the 12th of May. Welcome to it. This is my second try making this Avid video. Screencast-O-Matic was not being kind to me on my first try. So my good things for today are screencasting platforms that work on the first try every time. And that's not Screencast-O-Matic. All right, your good things for today. Eat all the sugar. I don't know what that means. A bunch of you put it in the attendance form yesterday. I don't get it. Breakfast, cereal, candy, crepe, cake, pizza. The students who knew what Johnny did, and all of you should know what Johnny did by this point. And those of you in my core class, if you don't know what Johnny did, you're behind on your reading. Shame on you. But Kai knew what Johnny did, as did Royce, Romy, Cambria, Jade, Ella, Nika, Jessica, and Abby. Good job to those people. Good books are a good thing. Playing football is a good thing. YouTube, Ponytown, Pirates of the Caribbean, and new beds are all good things. So this will be a rather short video today. This is our assignment guide. I'll be sending this to you today, and it'll also be on my haiku page. I'm asking you to look at the tutor messages. I know you've looked at them before, but I think that there are more of them now. So this is it, and the link on the assignment guide is there, and maybe I'll put a link to this page specifically as well in the Google Classroom. But there should be a message from every Avid tutor now. So I want you to go through these. You should definitely be able to find messages for all the tutors that have been in our class. I know that's probably what you're most interested in. You can read all the messages if you want. You can read just the messages from our own tutors, or you could just randomly pick the ones that look interesting to you. Some of them have videos and stuff too. And I'm also going to send you out this form. This form simply asks for your first and last name, and then it has 3 questions that are formatted like this. From blank's message, I learned. In your answer, you're going to use this sentence and write from Alejandra's message, from whoever's message. And I'm referring, of course, to the tutor messages. And then explain what you learned from that message, right? They all have some good concepts and ideas about Avid, and some of them are just reflecting on how Avid helped them. Some of them are reflecting on experiencing tutorials and what people should be doing and maybe they're not always doing, etc. So do that for 3 different messages. Give me at least a good solid sentence or 2, if not a full paragraph. And then at the end, if there's anything else you'd like to add that you learned, you can share it there. And that's it for today. On Thursday, I'm going to have you looking at a different presentation and doing a different assignment. But that is it for today. So once again, where is that assignment guide? There it is. I'll be sending you links to this stuff in Google Classroom. Please stay happy, healthy, and safe. That's all for today.